Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and today we are going to achieve a pink Valentine's Day look. Now I know Valentine's Day is like, oh my god, we're far from Valentine's Day. 2 weeks from the date I'm gonna be posting this, but I love Valentine's Day, always have, always will. And so I figured what would be better than to actually do a Valentine's Day makeup look, because I always end up doing things late and I don't want to be that person. Yeah, so I'm wearing the pink robe to put you in the Valentine's Day spirit. We're going to be using the Plouise Secret Dinner palette. Now Plouise has had her controversial moments, but I did pay literally 85 Canadian dollars for this, so yeah, I am still using it. There's no way in hell I'm using this palette. By the way, I just want to say, since we finna drag her, this mirror is like, it's like a distortion mirror. You know when you go to like a fair and they have those rooms with like the distortion mirrors for I mean, what do they have those for? Who knows? Wait a minute. What do they have those for? Why are there distortion mirrors? Are they? It's Discaris, right? Isn't it? I love Valentine's Day because I love pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors along with red and purple. I love pink so much. It's my favorite shade. Shade, color, tone. We're gonna do the usual, which is use the ABH eye primer. And I am, however, in this case, going to mix it with a concealer. The reason being, my eyes were so dry the other times I did it. And I can't believe my eyes were that dry, so I'm just going to mix both of them in. Hopefully it's gonna be a little less drying, but still makes the shadows pop. Okay, so let me continue. I love Valentine's Day because it's so pretty. It's like it's a whole ass holiday about love. And yes, it is super commercialized. And yeah, it's kind of like a horror marketing ploy, let's be real, to get people to spend money on chocolate. Which, don't you forget that after Valentine's Day, chocolate is on sale. So you need to go get your chocolate at that time. But yeah, so I love Valentine's Day because I love love. As much as I hate men, I still love love. And I think, you know, obviously love is not only men, not men and men or men and women. There's always women and women, which truthfully they deserve more fucking rights. So I'm going to take the shade Addicted here from the palette and I'm going to pack it onto my outer corner. Yeah, it's kind of sad that Valentine's Day has been so commercialized that it's like, it's all about, oh my god, like you have to get those $1,000 flowers, you know, the ones that don't perish, like the ones that don't die. They're really pretty though, I get it. I would buy myself some if I had the money, 100%. But you know what I mean? Like, people right now are thinking of Valentine's Day as like, oh my god, like I gotta spend money. And it's unfortunate, like obviously, like I think it should be okay for you to spend a little bit of money on your partner. Like, I'm not talking no rich shit. Like, I mean, if you got money like that, do you? Who's gonna complain? But you know what? It's obviously a little sad that it's come to that, where people are just like, people can't even enjoy a holiday anymore because they're like, oh my god, like I gotta save up for this holiday. If you want to do that, then it's 100% okay. It's just the whole feeling pressured about doing it, that's just not good. Anyways, have you ever had a Valentine? I have never, and I'm wondering if you guys have. Apparently it's a wonderful, blissful experience. I couldn't tell, like I said, I never have, but I wish y'all guys that. I wish it. Remember that it's about the love, it's about the trust and the beauty of, like, what was I gonna say? Next shade we're going to take is Velvet Kiss. Quite appropriate, you know, I do like that name. And I'm gonna pack it right into the inner corner of my eye. Oh my god, by the way, congratulations to Miss Nikki Tutorials on coming out as transgender. We're so proud of her. We're so loving, and I just wish her the very best. I want everyone to be like accepting of her, because I mean, obviously nobody knew before, but we all love Nikki. So like, I hope it's not gonna make anyone decide to not love Nikki anymore, because she's amazing and she deserves the love. And whoever blackmailed her, oh my god, whoever blackmailed her, I think we should fight. Oh my god, I can't even imagine like blackmailing someone over that. Like, first of all, I can't imagine blackmailing anyone because that is so much emotional trauma. Imagine how much someone is going through when they get blackmailed. Like, no, that is no. Blackmailing people is not good, okay? Unless they have murdered someone. Well, don't even blackmail them if they've murdered someone. They'll murder your ass too. Where is this discussion going? Now I'm going to take the shade Infatuation, which, believe it or not, I have never used on my eyes. I just want to say 2020 should be the year where brands stop making false promises to influencers. Like, 2019 was the year of like PR searches, because Norvina from ABH was doing a bunch of PR searches, you know, hype up smaller influencers and all that. So she did PR, a big huge PR search. It was actually like, I mean, kind of iconic, right? It was really kind of iconic. The only issue with that is that a lot of brands started to get on the trend, but just to like get on the trend, you know? So they contacted influencers and they just like, they took addresses, they took names, they took so much information to never just send any of these influencers anything. And I feel like the influencers were kind of being played, because obviously it's like, oh, tag your friends that you believe should be on our PR list, and everyone's gonna follow the brand, obviously, because sometimes, you know, it's a really mainstream brand, and if you get the chance to be on that PR list, it's a really big honor to have a brand recognize your work, right? Some brands really took an advantage of, you know, obviously smaller influencers trying to pierce their way out into this industry to grow their brands, and that was a little unfortunate, obviously. But I mean, listen, are we really mad? I'm personally not mad, but like, you know, it's kind of like a disrespect. I was not one of those influencers. I'm just speaking on the behalf of what I've seen on Twitter. And you know, it's like you owe a little bit of respect to these creators. Obviously, they're not as big as your, you know, Manya MUA, Jackie Aina, Alyssa Ashley. Like, they're not as big as those, right? But Nikki tutorials, you know, but they're still like, they still have value. They're still human. If I can speak on the behalf of those influencers, that was just not a fun, it's not a cute thing to do. Like, please just don't do it. If you don't have the budget for a PR list, nobody's gonna hate you. As long as you don't act like you do, nobody's gonna have beef with you. So as a brand, it is your responsibility to make sure that if you're holding something as serious as a PR search, you do have the funds to withhold such PR claims. So I'm falling for less and less of these, like, oh my god, like, we're holding PR searches. Like, unless I'm really into the brand, you know, I'm just gonna let it happen organically, because y'all clearly don't know how to act. So yeah, so I've blended the same Infatuation pink shade over the pink, well, over the red pink and over the purple, and this is what I got so far. I just want to say, scrolling on Twitter in public is so dangerous. They're like, oh my god, like, this guy is wearing jeans at the beach. And I was like, damn, let me see this guy wearing jeans at the beach. No, he was naked. So, don't fall for that shit. I feel like trash. Like, I fell for it. I'm now going to take the shade S&M, because I may be bad, but I'm perfectly good. And it's, yes, I love this shade. This is the type of shade I like, okay? Right next to it, the shade Infatuation is the one I used to blend out right up top, so we're gonna use that. Then I'm going to take the shade Velvet Kiss, which is this shade right here that we packed here. This is the reddish pink, it's the red pink. And I'm going to take the shade Addicted, which is this purple right here, and I'm just going to take the Rimmel Wonderswipe 2-in-1 liner in the shadow. This is in a pink shade because they don't write the damn shade names on this. I'm gonna line the cut crease just to emphasize it a tiny little bit. Oh my god, what the hell happened, Coco? What the fuck? This is setting powder on the blue highlight. I'm sick and tired of myself sometimes. Okay, so this is the Beige Cosmetics Backlight Highlighting Palette. I'm going to take the shade. It's called, I'm going to take the shade On Point. I'm sorry. On Point from right here. I'm going to put this I'm going to put this right under my brow bone, like so. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I'm going to apply my lashes and I'll be right back with you guys. Let's do it. If this were an actual Valentine's Day look, I would probably use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Like if I were to go, like I don't go out, this is a lie. But for example, if you were to go to a Valentine's Day date and you wanted to wear this extra makeup, which I 100% support, I would wear a really good primer to keep it on for the whole evening or night or whatever you're doing. But I'm going to bed after this as usual, so I'm not gonna do that. I am instead just gonna go in straight with my foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm going to mix it with the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. You know, Valentine's Day, you just want like effortless skin. That's a lie. It's still gonna be full coverage somehow. But my problem with this foundation is that the bottle doesn't have a pump, which honestly is messy. Like I would never travel with this foundation because then it would be too much of a mess. Like right now I'm in my house, it's okay, but like yeah. So I'm adding the NYX because it has more of like a yellow orange pigment. And let me be real, whether you want to admit it or not, I'm kind of just like orange. Like that's how I was born. And so sometimes the Maybelline feels like way too like pink. Like I feel like this is my shade, right? I'm literally going to bed after this. Like I only look good for y'all. I hope y'all know this. Like I never look good for the people at school. Not because I don't like them, but obviously. Yeah, this is a really good shade for me. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this and I'm going to cream contour the carita because I want my face to look a little bronzed up. Also, you know, it's Valentine's Day. It's not, but it's Valentine's Day. You want to look good. By the way, you don't gotta look good for nobody. Like, let's be real. Like, if someone likes you, they're gonna like you whether or not you look good. I mean, you always look good. What am I trying to say? Carve those cheekbones. You don't have to, but I don't remember if I like the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Natural. I don't remember. You know what? I'm not against it. I'm not against it. She's cute. She's really cute. That is way too much concealer. I got a little excited. Let's be real. That is way too much concealer. Coralie, what the hell? I'm shocked. I really like this. The mascara I used was the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. So as you want to see on my lower lash line, you can't really see on my lashes because I put my fake lashes on, but you know how it be. I'm going to take the Colourpop Rom Com Powder Blush. Pressed powder blush, not sure. I'm just gonna use it right on the apples of my cheeks and back. So my blush application method is the more the merrier. I'll do a more extra Valentine's Day look on my Instagram, but because I wanted this to be a little more tamed, I didn't want to hit y'all with some face painting because I was like, you know what, the people not gonna like me. So you know, we're just hitting you up with a lot of blush though. Like we're gonna go overboard on the blush. If you're asking, Coco, would you wear this like realistically for a Valentine's Day date? What I'm gonna answer to you is, well, I wouldn't go on a Valentine's Day date. Wait, when's the 14th? Yeah, the 14th is a Friday. I work on Fridays, so yeah, I'm most definitely not going anywhere, but I love Valentine's Day still. It's still one of my favorite holidays. I love it. Is take our same Beige Cosmetics backlight highlighting palette, take the shade On Point, and we're just gonna hit it right here. Hit a Fergie. This is a super pink highlighter. I just need, okay, I'm gonna turn around so I can see what I'm doing right here. Like this is a super pink highlighter. Can you see the pink reflect? The pink reflect, right? I think it's super pretty for a Valentine's Day look. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. We're just gonna add a little more. I'm going to take the Artist Couture highlighter in the shade Yes. It's a pinky highlighter, and I'm going to take a more concentrated highlighting brush. We're just gonna, I just want it to be a little more blinding because this one from BH, it's not dull, but it's like not as bright as I want it. See, I want the pink to shine through, but I just still want just a little brighter. I not only look like coin, I felt like coin too, huh? I love pink. Oh girl. If we're not gonna use this gloss, then what's the point? So I'm gonna use Babe Alert from Smashbox. The only reason why I'm using that one is because I don't own a lot of pink lipstick. I have like a coral, but the coral is gonna be too much. But yeah, this is Baby Valor by Smashbox, which it would be cute if we kept the whole look matte. It's pretty, but I have this lip gloss. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Pretty Please. I just feel like if I don't steal hearts looking like this, then what am I doing, you know? This is it, darlings. I hope you enjoyed my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I absolutely adore this look. It's so pink. It's so me. And I love looks that are like this. I just love the extra, the pulled out, the lashes, the blend, the all matte, the glossy pink lip, the over blush, the pink highlighter. I just love pink so much. Yeah, I hope you like this look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section down below other video suggestions or things you'd just like to see me do. Do not forget to follow me on all my social media such as Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I have all the links in the description box down below. If you guys like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel because we would love to see you come back. We just want to see you stay. Like, stay, girl, stay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Come back, or else.